Day 3, working on the Skycat 264. Today, we're going to hopefully finish cutting out all this rot. We're going to cut down here, and we're going to get all up underneath this entertainment stand. So all this is going to, I'm either going to take it out or I'm just going to slide it down because the floor over here is good. So if I could just move it out the way enough to patch it. I don't know. What do you guys think? Previous owner, he moved it all the way over. They didn't like the two little entryways. Should I leave it like that? Or should I put it back in the center and put the curtains on each side of it like it was from the factory? I like it like this. It's not that I don't like it. Just wonder what you guys would think. Anyway, we're going to get cutting here. Tearing some stuff up. That's what we do here. Tear some stuff up. Alright. I don't know if you can see very well or not, but okay, so this is the bathroom doorway. I took the trim piece off. That's how pathetic they do. Look at how split it is. They just put that screw, toenailed it right into the floor, split it all to pieces. But I've got this here exposed, but see, that's all going to the outside. Can you see that right there? I'm gonna have to get some spray foam back in that pretty quick. Up under the slide here, that stud right there, that cross piece, I'm going to have to cut about a 6-foot section out of that. If I cut this piece of wood out and this slide moves, if it's supporting it in any way, then I'm in a pickle. Because that slide's about 800 pounds. And I ain't moving it. I'm still debating what I'm going to do here. Either I don't think it's supporting this slide. I don't know. It's a through frame slide system. I know when I push down, that goes down away from the slide floor. I don't think it supports that slide. Not with it out, I don't think. So I'm gonna cut it. And if she collapses, then I know I messed up. That would be very bad. Just gotta clean up all the rest of the floor that was up under there I got out. See there? Get that out, clean this up, measure it, and I'll cut a piece to go in there. So here I'm laying down, reaching up under this slide with a pair of pliers, getting all these staples out of this piece of wood underneath the slide there that was holding the flooring in. So I worked with this for quite a while, but I got to get all those out because when I put the other floor in, if those aren't out, it's going to stop the floor from fitting properly. Okay, had my first oh shit moment. It's all good now though. As I cut that board, that support, it was doubled up. So it was too thick, 2 boards thick. And I thought, oh no, does this thing really support the slide? But it doesn't. So I just got the front one off. The back one's fine. I got it cut back here to healthy wood. I'm just gonna clean up all the mess. Let me turn you back around. I've got it ready to prime all the wood. Just gotta clean up my dust. I got my edge cut. I'm gonna sand these edges here where the particle board's kind of chipped up from my saw. I got my edge all the way through there, fairly straight, but enough for this stud so I can, rest on it. And I'm gonna put some cross members. So that's exciting. I finally feel like I'm winning. So not like Charlie Sheen winning, but Dreaming Out Loud RV winning. Alrighty, so I'm gonna clean up, and I think next step would be to prime, and then I can make a lumber run. That's exciting. Alright, perfect. I found the wood for the studs in the camper. I didn't think I'd find them. And I got my spray foam. Don't mock me. That's the only saw I have right now. So after this primer dries, we're gonna put some insulation down, and we're putting hardwood down. We're gonna go get the wood, put these floors in. And we found some leftover vinyl in the apartment that I think is gonna work really neat. It's gonna be a little bit more work to use it, but we're gonna make it happen. Stay tuned on the Skyline Skycat.